the smart wallet is the hottest new trend in wearable technology. Case in point, the Volterman. I will show you how to make a smart wallet. The solution is to throw money at the problem. Actually, this is SnekTek. We don't throw money at the problem. We get her done. Let's get started. What is the main feature of the Volterman that everybody wants?
Being tracked easily by its owner. He forgets his phone in crowded places. That's my phone. You can use Volterman's Wi-Fi hotspot.
The main selling point of the Volterman is an integrated battery pack. Forget about the GPS, forget about all the other garbage features. You don't need any of that.
In reality, it has a stunning design, and it's packed with super abilities.
All you want is that damn battery pack inside. Now, the Volterman claims to have a 2600 milliamp hour battery.
But it's also got a built-in power bank, so you can charge any phone up to 100%.
The project is going to be to put a battery into my wallet here. Yeah, I wear levies. So we have a few options depending on how thick you like your wallet. So we have the mini pad, pad battery, the 2000 or we have the medium pad here. This is the 3000. That's already more than Volterman right here. So you got that option, or we got the maxi pad. This is the 3600. See, it's These ones are Oh, this one's also Which option are you going to take? Well, it's totally up to you, but I'm going to go with the maxi pad. Now, this project is actually real easy, okay? Got the wallet, got the maxi pad. Let's see how she fits. So the plan is to store the battery in there, and look at that. It's still quite slim. And we can add some money back in. Look, it's still not that thick. This one is 10 millimeters by 50 in this direction and 65 in this direction. So you can look that up. And the other thing we'll need is a little charge boost circuit from a old power bank like this one, or this one from like a $3 power bank, with one of those 18650 cells. So you just crack one of those open. We're going to scavenge this nice controller out of there. We're going to connect the red to the red, black to the black. The life of any party is the strippers, right? So we're going to bring in the strippers. Just trim the strippers back in. And I'm just going to Can you believe it? The Volterman is almost done. Gingerly, hot glue. Can't forget that Kapton tape. Put some of that Kapton goodness all around. Just to appease the haters. Safety haters. Saying we're going to get shocked or whatever. You're going to be shocked at how great this works. Now, don't tell me it looks ugly, because it's going in the wallet, okay? Now, the principle of operation is we plug in the USB to charge. You can plug that in an outlet, and we got a little red light. Okay, let's put it in the wallet. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Can you believe it? It's all in there. Close the wallet, and it's not bad. A little thick, but, that's the price you pay to have a whole battery's worth of charge in your wallet. You can either pretend you have a lot of money. So the next time you're out and about, and all of a sudden your phone dies, no problem, just take out your SnekTek, plug in your USB cable into your wallet. Wait, what? Plug that into your phone. We still have a lot of room over here. We can put other things, so let me know in the comments whether we should add some GPS or what other Volterman features you guys really want, because we'll put them right here. It's tons of space. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to check out the shop, SnekTek.com/shop. Make sure to tell me what I should add here. What Volterman features do you really desire? See you next time, Sneks.